Hi everybody, my name is Dan and welcome to my kitchen for another quick recipe here at Man Cake. Today, because spring is in the air and want to help you guys and help me really add some special yumminess to any spring or woodland cakes or yummy treats we're going to be baking here on Man Cake and in your kitchen. So today we're going to be making delicious edible moss. It's going to be really quick and it's going to be actually really good. If you need even just a quick snack, I eat it. I love it. All the ingredients we're going to be using today are going to be down below in the description, along with that subscribe button. So if you click that and ring the bell, you can stay up to date on brand new recipes every week and get to know how I'm actually going to be using this edible moss. It's going to be really fun. So to get started, let's preheat our oven to 325 degrees. Grab a mixing bowl, and to that we're going to take 2 cups of crushed graham crackers and a half cup of shredded coconut. Now our next step is going to be to color our graham crackers and our shredded coconut. I'm going to be using a couple drops of leaf green and a couple of drops of yellow, but whatever color you want your moss, definitely make it that color. Whatever suits your needs and really adds to your yummy treats. So our next step is going to be to color our little graham cracker shredded coconut mixture. I'm going to be using a couple of drops of leaf green food gel coloring and a couple of drops of yellow. I'm going to mix them with a tablespoon of vodka. If this is going to be for a kid themed party, you can always swap out the vodka for a little bit of water. Just give those a little mix and then we're going to pour it in. And then we're going to go back in, mixing everything this way to really get that green color distributed. Next, we're going to take our cookie sheet and we're going to sprinkle our edible moss on top. And then we're just going to pop this in the oven for 10 minutes, 10-15 minutes. I usually lean towards the 10 minutes. This way it doesn't get too hot or nothing really starts to maybe burn. You never know how the oven's going to behave. So our edible moss is baked, it's cooled, and it looks so realistically delicious. I cannot wait to use this in the kitchen. And if you don't need your moss green, you need a different color like pink moss or purple moss or blue moss or orange moss. Play with the colors, have fun with it. Let me know how they turn out. I really want to see how everybody's going to incorporate this edible moss into their kitchen. So I'm kind of excited for it. But that's all I have for you this week. Don't forget to click that subscribe button down below and ring the bell because this edible moss is going to be popping back up real soon for a delicious cake. It's a secret, but I think you guys are actually going to like it. I'm really enjoyed with it and I'm happy how it turned out. So I can't wait to share it. And if you, again, make this edible moss, use it in the kitchen, give a tag on Instagram or Facebook or Twitter and say hello and let me see what you're making in your kitchen. And until next week, bye.